Alright, today we're going to install this HKS exhaust for the Scion XB. There you go. And this is what it looks like inside the box. So there's the exhaust. That's the other side. There's a bracket and some parts. So they provide you with a extra exhaust hanger and some bolts and nuts. And there's the instructions. All right, here's this beautiful exhaust. I'm leaving the bubble wrap on, so just in case during installation, so the tip doesn't get scratched. So I would recommend jacking up the passenger side since the exhaust is on the passenger side. So here's the stock exhaust, what it looks like. I would say put some jack stands, so because you never know, just for safety. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna remove these bolts right here. There's one and two, one on top. This nut is like welded onto the pipe, so you just need to remove this side, and it's 14 millimeter. Now that you got those bolts out, the exhaust is just hanging by this hanger right here. And what you're gonna do is, I would suggest getting this. If you can pull it off, you can put some WD-40 on it and pull it off, but this is much simpler. So you just take this tool, I bought it on Amazon, exhaust hanger removal tool. All right, you might have to remove your tire to get access to this because it's really hard to try to get this hanger from underneath. You just pull the exhaust out. All right, here's a comparison of the stock exhaust to the HKS exhaust. So next thing we need to do is, if you need to install this bracket, it's gonna go right over here. So, right here. You see the holes right here, it goes right there. You're gonna use these supplied bolts and washers. Then I'm gonna install these exhaust hangers. I got these ones. I got it on Amazon. These are 12 millimeter. There, nice and sturdy. Okay, now that you've got that, I'm gonna put the other one on this side. Okay, now you're gonna take your nice exhaust. You're gonna take this part, put it over this bar. You're gonna attach your exhaust to the hanger. There you go. Last step is to bolt it back to your stock piping. You can use your stock bolts, and then they supply you with a nut and washer, so you can use that to put it on the end right here. So here's the exhaust all installed. Looks awesome. All right, and this is what the exhaust sounds like.